meme, and I'm like, what the frick? Yo, fam. What's
Meow.
I just put hat.
Meow.
Me's cool. Blah 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 blah. Meow. Meow.
Just to let you know, Cheyenne.
Oh. I am in a club right now as we sleep. I cannot do that.
Meow.
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 Meow. Rashi died.
What the hell?
Oh, never mind. There he is. I was like, Rashi died.
We're being cats. Shush.
Always.
Always, yes, because we are so adorable and cats are amazing.
I know that, Chrissy.
Then why do you question it?
I said, what the hell? I didn't say, why are you meowing?
Exactly.
Yes, I said, what the hell? Meaning, what's happening?
Being cats. That's what's happening.
Yes.
Skin. It's not full.
Peanut butter.
That finger is not full. Not full. That okay.
Okay.
Whoa, I'm tripping.
Don't bust your ass.
Not that kind of tripping.
She's hallucinating.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yo, do you take your meds?
I don't take.
Oh, wait, no, do you drink your tea?
I don't. I haven't had enough time in the day for tea.
No wonder.
I haven't. I got up at 8 p.m.
Chrissy, this is unacceptable.
How does that? No.
You said it yourself, not me.
I know.
I'm a Mimi Lord.
I'm a meme lord. You're a meme lord.
Yes, I am.
Okay then.
Nice word.
4% battery. I don't even have my charger up here, I don't think. Oh well.
She said battery.
Battery.
It's
Battery.
I am British. Leave me alone.
No.
live around there.
Why?
Hamburger.
Why won't you leave me alone?
Because I don't want to.
We'll never leave you alone.
So
Preach.
so mean.
Oh my god, Armin.
What?
Did you eat Aaron for breakfast?
That sounded wrong.
When it's only wrong if you make it wrong.
I am a yaoi fangirl. Of course I will take it wrong.
Kirsty is too, and she didn't take
Yeah. Because I'm innocent.
it. Nah,
She's not
stop
much of a
joking.
yaoi fangirl as I am.
Really.
Eh. Ooh.
Come on, Kirsty. Basically all your ships are basically straight.
Not all of them. I can ship yaoi.
Most of them are.
And yes,
Most of my
yaoi.
ships are yaoi.
Nasty cancer yaoi.
Nasty cancer.
Like you and Mika. Nasty.
No.
Mika.
Mika.
Nasty.
Your mom.
Your life.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Too far. Too far.
That's basically saying your mom will be saying your life. Because who gave life to you? Your mom.
True.
Oh, we have a sheep in here.
That wasn't even a sheep.
Sounded like one.
Yeah.
Come on, Arashi.
Bruh.
Join in.
I'm good.
No, you have to join in.
I just drank some chocolate tea.
No,
Or not chocolate.
you have to join in, otherwise you have to...
I just noticed you changed your profile picture on Facebook to your insane sanity fish.
Who, me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Speak the English. Curse.
English.
I was gonna say, you have to join the sheep. Otherwise, you're gonna have to tell your brothers I said hi.
It sound like you're saying trying to join the sheet.
Pink hair squad. Pink hair squad.
What's up?
Oh my gosh. Blueberry.
The pink hair?
Blueberry.
Like
The pink hair?
Blueberry.
pink hair squad.
The pink hair?
Blueberry.
Pink hair.
Berry.
The pink hair.
Candy.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. I'm showing. So you know, I'm really happy.
That's good.
I'm really happy.
Rashi.
Rashi.
What
Stop being a
and what?
douchebag.
I can't because you're being one.
Okay.
Thank you for accepting the reason.
Mm-hmm.
Love you, Casty.
Same.
Yuri,
I love you, Rashi.
straight.
I can't even.
He didn't choose this. I didn't make him choose this life. He chose it all on his own.
Who?
Basically, when your friends say you're crazy, you just hear like, I didn't make him choose this life. My boyfriend chose this crazy life all on his own.
You chose this.
Crazy.
It's the other way around. Yes, it is. Ask Kirsty. It is.
Ha ha what ha.
See,
Ask
Kirsty doesn't
Kirsty.
listen to shit.
Maybe.
Now she's listening to shit. No. Ask her.
Kirsty.
Ha wa ha.
She said you're such a bitch.
Oh, I know. I'm so pretty.
Female dog.
Silence.
I'm pretty.
For boobs.
A pretty female dog.
With boobs.
Pretty female dog.
With boobs. Oh, let the Kirsty out.
My mother.
Oh.